Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center, focusing on repair and remanufacturing of Koellman gearboxes. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a Koellman gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components for, we can reverse engineer and manufacture all missing inner components, such as all gears and shafts. We manufacture all gearing such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your Koellman gearboxes back into production as soon as possible. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk School certified. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back. And thank you once again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear. As you clearly see here, this is a Koellman extruder gearbox. We did a full remanufacture, replaced every bearing and seal, manufactured a new high-speed helical gear set. This was done under emergency rush repair. So the gear set that we had manufactured was made out of FXT2 material, and that was ground to AGMA 12. So everything running smooth here. This runs about an hour and a half. We run for another hour and a half. We like to get about 3 hours total, 3 to 4 hours. But so far, no leaking, no vibration, any abnormalities. We're very pleased with this. All work guaranteed for 24 months from the date of startup, and we do free freight and free quotes nationwide. You can take a walk with me in here, Isaac. We are doing some other repairs on another large gearbox here. This is one of our pug mills for the aggregate industry. We manufacture 3 new helical pinions, and you will see that in the video as well. Got our guys cutting our shims here, resetting all our bearing floats and the bearing preloads to the manufacturer specs. We're now doing the disassembly on a Dodge a Maxim gearbox. Like I said, free pickup, free delivery, free quotes. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Have a nice day.